Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to do another quick video to thank all of you, my subscribers, and everybody who watches some of my videos. This is a 500 subscriber giveaway. As a thanks to all you guys who watch my channel, subscribe to my channel, I'm going to give away a Luxurious Bastard combo, the Spicy Bastard Beard Balm, and a Spicy Bastard Beard Oil. Again, just to say thanks to you guys for subscribing. To enter, to win this, really just ask that you do two things. Number one, comment down below with hashtag 500, and then follow me over at Instagram, Sophisticated Neanderthal over at Instagram. Yeah, that's it guys, a short video. Looking forward to get the beard going again. I can't wait. I do have some regrets about shaving it off, but I think it's going to be a fun journey, and hopefully can help out some guys who are thinking about growing a beard or in the early stages of growing a beard. Kind of help you get through those first couple of months, which I know are the toughest. Once you get through that, it's a piece of cake. I've got some exciting videos coming up, a lot more beard products. I do have some more watch reviews coming for those of my subscribers who like the watch reviews. Gonna have more of those coming out. Gonna have some other fun videos. A lot of people have commented on the video quality of my videos. So I'm probably gonna do a quick studio tour, kind of tell you what I use, what I go through in making these videos in terms of production. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Not going to take any more of your time. I want to say again, thanks to all of you guys. And again, hashtag 500 in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram. I will announce the winner next Friday. And then we'll see who wins. Good luck. And as always, see you in the next one.